Missing website option in TikTok account. Adding link option not available in TikTok bio. If you are unable to add a website link to your TikTok bio, so here's are a few reasons why the option is not available. So go and open up your TikTok, and after opening the TikTok, you have to go for your profile icon on the edit profile. So if you see the website information, you have to go to add your website here. So from here you can add your website. So if the website option is missing on your TikTok, then you can follow this step. So you have to check your account type. So the option to add a website link is generally available for TikTok business account. So if you are using your personal account, then you may need to switch a business account to access this feature. Go to the top right three bar option, and you have to tab on your setting and privacy, and then go for the account here. Once you are on your account, you can see here switch to personal account. So if you want to, so on the switch to personal account, there should be a switch to business account, and you have to follow the on-screen instruction to complete this switch. So with the help of this process, you can easily get the missing website option in your TikTok account. Also, you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of your TikTok app. Sometimes features are edit or updated in the new version, so you have to update up your app to solve this issue. Go back and go to your Play Store or Apple Store and search for the TikTok here. Once you have searched for the TikTok, if there is any update available, then you have to update up your app here. Also, you have to ensure that your account complies with the TikTok community guidelines and terms of services. If none of these above solutions work, consider reaching out to the TikTok support. So you have to go for the three bar option and go for the setting and privacy, and you have to scroll down and go for a report a problem. So here you have to report a problem to your TikTok support. By following this step, you should be able to address the issues with adding a website link to your TikTok bio. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily fix your missing website option in your TikTok account. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you on the next one. Thank you.